up, guys? So it's Sunday. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I have my stabilizer back in the trunk. I just realized that I had it back there. So today I'm actually gonna go ahead and get the Xforce exhaust put on. I'm gonna go over to a friend's place where he works at a shop. So we're gonna go ahead and try that out, see how it works. Another reason why I love this damn car. Look at this thing. The entire exhaust fits in there. So it's pretty dope. I'll go ahead and open it on here on the side. Boxes and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything that I need, get going, and see what we could do real quick. All right, so first things first, I need to get gas. Don't have any gas, so, well, I have some gas, but I'm not gonna make it all the way where I need to go. I'm gonna go over to Santa Fe Springs and see if we can get this thing put on. So it should be fun. One thing I will tell you with this car, and it's the only car that it really does this. Let me put my windows down. This car hates to be driven if I don't let it sit there for a good 4 minutes in the morning. So that's why right now I'm just hardly even on the throttle. It hates to go. So I don't know if that's something that I'm doing wrong by turning it on for maybe 2-3 minutes and going. I don't do it often. I actually do let the car sit, warm up a little bit, get up to some type of operating temp. But like, let's say right now, it kind of doesn't like it. So now it's starting to give me a little more play. But yeah, I'm gonna be on my way to the gas station, and should be cool. We're gonna go ahead and get this exhaust put on. Like I mentioned in the last video, if you haven't watched the video, go back to that. 5 things I love about the car. This is a test fit, and this test fit is actually for Xforce directly from Australia. So there might be a couple things different than this one is based for the i30N. A lot of the stuff that's for the i30N looks like it's actually fitting on the Veloster, being that they're pretty much made the same. So let's see what happens. Ooh, 3-wheeled in here. All right, so let me pump some gas, and then we'll be on our way. All right, guys, so I actually just pulled up to where we're gonna do the install of the exhaust. So JDM West Coast, that's where we're gonna go ahead and do it today. Homie works here, a good friend of mine, and he's actually gonna be working on his truck today too. He's doing crazy project with this thing, man. Don't want to go ahead and talk too much about it. It's not my project, but it's gonna be really badass. He's opening up. He doesn't even know I'm here. So let's see what's going on. We'll get everything going, and get you guys back out here. All right, so we got the car up on the lift. Stock pipes all the way through. Here's what we got going on here. There's Varix, Xforce. This shit is so badass here. If you haven't been here before, you haven't checked them out, check them out. JDM West Coast. This is badass. That's the homie right there, Alex. We're gonna go ahead and get this done. So, see what it looks like when we come back after this and get it done. All right, so Alex just went ahead and put this on. Actually, it was a pretty easy, right, dude? Yeah, so being that it's the test fit and it's for the i30N, it is just a little shorter on the pipes here,
than the Veloster. The the hangers, and you probably can't see it, right? But the hangers are a little stretched out, but it's fine. We'll just take a look at it, see what they say, and I'm gonna finish putting it on, doing the valve, and go from there.
All right, guys. So, being again that it's a test fit, we did run into a little issue. Still sounds closed.
If we want to set it up, if you want to set it up with a toggle switch, we can set it up with a relay, bro.
Yeah.
Because opening and closing is on polarity. So the negative would have to be positive to close it, and then the positive would have to be negative.
And then it'll just either
Hopefully,
be,
you just flip the polarities around
and
it opens it up. Just like a window regulator.
I'll just be 0 or 100. Yeah. Like either all the way closed or all the way open.
It'll be easier that way, but if you just tap it real quick, it'll open a certain amount. I don't know how much. There's no way to determine. Maybe 50%.
Nah, I'll just do like all the way. So if I just flip it and leave it, it'll be all the way open.
Yeah.
All right, let's
And
do it.
if you flip it around again, it'll be all the way closed.
Okay, we'll do it. Let's do it.
Yeah? All right.
All right. Oh, you? I can turn it off now, no? You want me to turn it off or not?
Yeah, you can turn it off.
All right. All right. So, all right. So he's bringing me up. I'm in the air. Yeah. By the way, I'm afraid of heights, so that shit was not cool. Like, it was cool, but it wasn't the nicest shit to feel going up in the air like that with no control. So, what we got here from Xforce and Verix is the box that's supposed to let you through Bluetooth and GPS location, get you all set up correctly, so that way it can, open as much as you want or as little as you want. I'll go ahead and put a video here from another channel so you guys can see what that's like. So I got to get back to Xforce about that. And then as well, the tips are a little on the short side because I guess the I-30N is a little narrower where the openings are. So let me see. Let's see here. So this is stock. I got to measure it out. That's what it looks like with the Xforce. So I'll take a couple of clips here so that way you guys can see. We're gonna have to measure it out, see what it looks like. But other than that, it looks badass and it sounds badass. So can't wait. That's what it looks like.
I think the key though.
Oh yeah,
Just say it.
the key would be amazing, right? It would help a lot.
You know when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. Ooh. Put it in N mode. Just hit the checkered flag one time on the steering wheel. It's in N mode? It is.
What?
Hit it again?
It says custom.
Hit it again? Maybe it's because it's getting cooler.
There you go. Custom again.
Alright, hit it one more time.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
Alright, leave it there. Rev the shit out of it. There it is. Dope. Alright, so went ahead and got it installed. Actually, it was pretty easy. In fact, getting the exhaust installed. Pretty self-explanatory. Went ahead and from the Catback, you got 2 bolts there, the hangers, 2 bolts by the muffler, and 3 more hangers. Done. It was out. And then we went ahead and put the new exhaust back on. So
just being transparent because I want to show everybody, okay, what's it like to do all these things like test fits and prototyping and such. And shout out to Xforce because they really have gone ahead and gone above and beyond to make sure that this works. They sent me the exhaust to go ahead and do it, and now I get to report back what I found. It's very minimal what needs to change. So it's pretty badass that the i30N and the Veloster N share so many similarities. So that's awesome. So the things that need to be changed, that are off, would be that the tips need to go out. I want to say an inch on each side, so that way they're centered. I guess the i30N is a little thinner where the exits are for the exhaust, and then the hangers in the back where the muffler is, they need to bring those out half an inch on each side. But other than that, it's great. I have it open now. It's just fully open, which to me sounds really nice. Just a little bit louder than stock, because stock was already loud as it is here on this one. So just a little louder, but definitely deeper, and I love that. I don't want to be obnoxiously loud, and I think that the stock exhaust could have been a little deeper. It gave me exactly what I wanted, so I'm happy with that. For those of you that, I'm 5'5", 5'6" on a good day, and seatbelt chokes me up, and I'm trying to do this just because of the way that it is up here. Stay tuned for the 5 things I hate about the Veloster. So right now I got the exhaust on. Sounds great. There's no drone in the car, so I love that. No drone, so it's badass. I'll show you what the tips look like when I get home, on my way home now. And if anybody knows, SoCal 5 freeway is never the easiest freeway to take. There's always traffic. Luckily right now, and hopefully I'm not jinxing it, I'm going 60 miles an hour, 90 kilometers an hour for those of you that use kilometers. Enjoying it right now. Still gives me the crackles and pops, of course, but they sound deeper as well. I don't hear any rattling. Alex, great guy. Definitely appreciate his help. He went ahead, put up on the lift, pretty much did it for me. He let me help, but he went ahead and did it. He wanted to make sure that it was done right, and I can appreciate that. So we went ahead and did that. We had a little exhaust leak. Went ahead and fixed it because pipe needed to be tightened up a little bit more. So we did that. It's great. Couldn't have done it without him, or it would have been extremely hard to do it without him. His knowledge, definitely helped a lot. We don't have a way of controlling the valve right now, so he knew how to work the valve and was able to get it open. So the valve is open. We can close it and open it. He told me how to do it and showed me how. So it's pretty cool. All electronically, but I can't do it through Bluetooth, which is the point of why you want to get the Xforce exhaust with the Varix valve there, because that's badass. You have the app where you can control everything, how much it opens, how much it closes. Comes with a GPS module, so you can actually go ahead and tell the exhaust to close when you get into a certain geofence location and open back up when you leave it. So that's something really cool. Go ahead and report back to them, see what they say. I stopped by Concept 3 real quick. I saw Abe was stung by Stinger there. They're working on something really cool for the Stinger, so that'll be dope. Hopefully my wife will get in on that and work on that stuff as well with her car. But as far as this one goes, the exhaust, I love it. I have no complaints with it. I love it just the way it is right now. Sounds great. It's not overpowering. It's not obnoxious. It doesn't sound like a lawnmower. So I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my driving, show you what it's like to be in traffic on a Sunday, and then we'll finish it off.